To begin making our locker name tags, we're going to start in Microsoft Word. Click on your Start button. You can go to All Programs, Microsoft Office, Microsoft Office Word. Once you're in Microsoft Office, you're going to type your name 5 times. If there are more than one of you in junior high with the same name, please add your last name. When you're connecting 2 words, we're going to use a special character and no spaces. The special character is next to your 1 key, and it is called a tilde. It's the squiggly line on the top of the key, so we use our Shift and that button to create the tilde. Type your name 5 times, pressing Enter after each time. Next, you're going to come up with 5 nouns to describe yourself. I've got my 5 nouns here. Next, you will come up with 5 verbs to show us things that you enjoy doing. And last, you'll come up with 5 adjectives describing yourself. Once you have these, you'll go to the Save button and call it Locker Name Tags. We're also going to select all of our words, making sure at this point that they are spelled correctly. And then we're going to copy. And then we can close Microsoft Word, as we won't be using it for a while. We'll be going to the internet, and we're going to go to a website called Wordle.net. That's what the website looks like. Once you get into Wordle, you will see a button that says Create. Click on the Create button. On this screen, we're going to click in the box where it says Paste in a bunch of text, and we'll right-click and paste our words in. Then click Go, and you will end up with a word cloud. This is where the fun begins. You can change the font. You can change the font to anything you might like. You can change the layout, and you can change the color to different color schemes. Once you find that this is what you get a word art that you like, then you're going to use another new button on your keyboard. This is the Shift Print Screen button. Once you have pressed that button, it really doesn't seem like it's doing anything, but it's capturing what's on your screen at that moment. We'll then go back into Microsoft Word in a blank document, right-click with our mouse, and click Paste. You have your word art, your word cloud, but you also have a lot of extra around the edge. To get rid of the extra, we click on the picture. Your picture tools shows up on top. We'll click on Picture Tools, and then we'll use a Crop button. Cropping is where you cut out parts of the picture that you don't want, and you just drag the little edges in so that all we have left on our screen is our word art. Once you have it like this, you can click off, and then I will allow you to stretch it out so it is approximately half of a piece of paper. We don't want to waste ink, and they don't fit well on our lockers if they're much bigger. At this point, please put your cups up and I will help you to print them.